Gising ko si paring Tina ngayon. Tangina na huli ako ng pulis. HP. Ina mo. Tangina mo. Pag bilabas mo ko to, marireport ako ng... Tangina mo. Nakalis na utol. Nakalis na dito na sa may ano. Kaliwan ng bahan. Madali oh. Tangina mo, mahalas naman. Wala na, dito na. Tangina mo, dito na kotse na ito ah.
Elisa, you see what you did now? You should be protecting people. You are jamming up.
Tangina, pito pa kaso ko. Aray ko. Pwedeng jail card to, no? Dito sa may parking. Hindi niya pa ako pinapasok eh. Dito pa sa may parking pero nasa PD na.
Bro, I'm boss Matt. Oh, nang ina mo mali. Bro, I'm attorney, bro. Bro, I'm attorney. I'm attorney Paldo.
Tangina na ito.
Bro. Sir. What the case? Why you handcuff the...
Go.
Bala yung mga Gago pa, so Mike. Sir, why you please? I'm attorney, bro. I'm attorney, sir. Why you handcuff my client? Why? Give me a reason. And explain it.
Dalawang OG nahuli. Putang ina. Nahuli, dalawang OG.
Gago, bawal pala sa makay putang na to.
Oh, bakit mo dyan?
Ayan.
Ina na ito.
Hey, unrecorded. Ano bang rank nito mga to? Rank 2 na ba yan? Pag rank 1 kasi bawal ka manghuli.
Pukin ang ina kahit anong rango nito. Tandaan mo lang pangalan, utol. Mr. Kadish.
Mas
na, boy.
bleed out dyan eh. Naubusan ako na dyan, English dyan.
Ina, Mr. Officer, what's my violation? Putang ina mo, dagdagan mo pa. Hey, Mr. Officer. Don't do this, Mr. Officer. Damn. Dinagdagan
Ano naman yan?
pa.
Tawag nito, iba na ba to? Kada 20 minutes pa naman. Isang jail card, 20 minutes na mababawas. Kaya pag isa ng jail card mo, aray ko talaga.
I'll hunting you, Mr. Kadish. I will, Mr. Kadish. Fuck you.
Ano just
People should leave him. Nobody should say anything. Just leave him. Let him do what is in his mind. Are you going to release me now or are you still not going to release me?
Have you experienced it around the one stage?
Oh no, sir, I have not experienced it.
Alright,
So you cuffed me into your vehicle. Wow. But who tased him? Who tased him? I said don't use your taser. Don't make use of your taser. It's a simple thing. Leave him. Let him do what he's doing. Let him do what is in his mind.
What?
Are you still going to remove it? Boss?
You are called Dimitri. This is what it is.
Mr. PJ.
Wow.
I just
No, don't do anything. I love you.
Yung mga to, ang daming alam, parang mga gago eh. Ayaw pa ikulong.
Tangina, marami ka bang jail card, utol, chief?
Meron, Sham.
Take me to jail now. Take me to jail.
Sorry, my game crashed.
Yan, dito si Cairo gago.
Take me to jail. We mad. More with it. Alay ba jail ni da fún ẹ. Bó ṣe ṣe àjẹ́ àgùkọ́ wọn láì lè máa dé fún ẹ tó kúkú kí ìkúrú ìjà fún ẹ.
Tara, jail tayo.